What's up friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to show or hide message content on your lock screen. So what you want to do is do a swipe up on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone and open up settings. Then tap on notifications. Right now you want to find lock screen notification, tap on that, and first you want to enable the lock screen notification. Now, in order to find those message content, you want to have it tap on show content, right? Then click on the gear on the right hand side. Now, from within this list, you want to find your messages icon. So you have your WhatsApp, you have your Messenger, you have your messages, and you also have another messages app there. Now, you can go through the list if you have more messages up. You can find them, Telegram, whatever it might be that gives you messages. You can simply go ahead and find that specific application and turn it on as well. Now, once you turn this on, what's going to happen is that when you lock your screen, you'll be able to see that specific message on your phone. But if you don't want to really have that, you want to just have the icon showing, you can just simply click and hide the content and you will have the icon showing the message, but you will not show the content of that message. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.